Well, my fondest memory of Christmas would be going to the village actually. So we went to the village every Christmas. And that's actually the one time in the year that we see all of our cousins from my dad's side and sometimes from my mom's side as well, but for the most part we go to my dad's village. And we have fun, play, eat. There's a lot of knockout, even though I'm not crazy about the knockouts, but yeah, that would be my fondest memories. To be a billionaire. I wish that I have like $1 billion, not naira. Actually, I'll take naira. So any billion, currency. It could be euros, pounds, dollars, naira. That would be my like Christmas wish. Weirdest Christmas gift I've ever received. I'll probably say ice cream. Like those ones from like the ice cream carts. So I feel like they're not Christmas gifts. Like when you say Baram Christmas, which in Igbo means give you something for Christmas. So it's kind of a normal thing that we say. We say Baram Christmas, which means give you something for Christmas. And usually when you say that, you expect money. Someone give you money, but you have like one uncles and aunties and like one of the ice cream men on bicycles that like going through and they'll say, oh, we're ice cream, take ice cream. I'm like, actually, thank you. I mean, I'll eat it, but it's kind of weird. That's not a Christmas gift. It's just a snack. So that's what I'll say is my weirdest Christmas gift. I do. So I have 3 kids now, and in our family, what we do is we wake up in the morning and we open the tree, the gifts under the tree. So that's become a tradition for us. It sounds cliche, but it's actually a lot of fun. So wake up, everybody's sitting in their PJs. I usually wear Christmas PJs. And actually all through like the month of December, usually we start counting down to Christmas. So we start from December 1st, and I either have like chocolates that you have to open on every Christmas day, like on the 1st, 2nd. And then we have like a pillow that's like, that you change the days. So it says like 25 days to Christmas, 24 days to Christmas, all the way to 1 day to Christmas. So that's kind of the tradition I have with my kids. It's with the pillows and the candy, like the chocolate. And then on Christmas morning, we all wake up, open our Christmas gifts. The living room is full of like wrappers, and I make pancakes or some kind of breakfast, and we all eat. And for the most part, it's a laid back day, so it's kind of a tradition for us now. We've been doing it for I think about 5 years because my oldest is 5. So yeah, so that's my Christmas tradition. We're currently in Nigeria, so we live in Houston, Texas actually. So we're on vacation now in Nigeria, and once I get back, I have to put up the tree and do all get the house Christmassy. So that our main plan is we usually have what we call a staycation, which is like staying at home for Christmas. So we stay at home, and my main plan is make sure the kids get pictures with Santa and just eat. I've been eating here though, so I probably should try to get back in shape, but the spirit is within the flesh. It's very weak. Achọghị m ihe buru ibu maka ekeresimesi. Ihe m chọrọ maka ekeresimesi bụ gị. So I don't want a lot for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is you. So far, that's a weird question. So December 2017, what was I doing? My baby had just turned 1 in September, so that was really her first true Christmas, because she was like a couple months in the first Christmas. So I was taking a lot of pictures of them. This year, I'll say 2018 actually is what I'll say, because we love being in Nigeria. Like my kids are having a ball. I don't even think they want to go back home, but they have to go back. And so I'll say this year, definitely, we're having a lot of fun this year. We've been touring and doing different things, and yeah, so I'll say this year, to answer your question. Hello everybody, Kedu, aham bụ Chimmie Gbugu. My name is Chimmie Gbugu, and I wrote fun Igbo books. So these are Igbo board books. This is a storybook of kids telling children about their life, and they ask them questions in Igbo, and they get to respond. And this is Abi Chidi Igbo book. So it's Mburoku Igbo, all the Igbo alphabets with fun illustration associated with each alphabet. These books are the perfect books for Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, graduation, and everything else. They can be gotten if you go to our website, www.akwukwo.com. Follow me on Instagram at Akwukwo. You can find where to get the books here in Nigeria. In the US, it's available on Amazon. In Nigeria, there's stores here in Lagos that have them. So the Little Big Kid Company, Rubin Heights, who delivers across the country, Terra Culture, and also in Abuja, Books and Beyond, Chloe's Cupcakes and Gifts and All. Also have the books, but you can find all this information on my website, akwukwo.com. I also have a fun app available on your iOS and Android app store. It's called Learn Igbo for Kids. So if you go in there to your app store and search for Akwukwo, AKWUKWO, you find the app. Please download it. It's free, so you could download, and it's great to get your children learning Igbo. Thank you so much. This is a shout out to Silverbird TV and to Rhythm FM 93.7. Thank you guys for having me, and Merry Christmas. Do not eat too much rice, okay? Don't blame the holidays. Don't eat too much rice, but you can eat a lot of chicken though.